Hi guys, this is GNOME 3 desktop environment. At the top there is the calendar with notifications and the RY. At the top right corner there is volume, network, battery, lock, power off, suspend, restart and settings. In settings there is everything we need such as Bluetooth, change the background, sound, power, to check the battery status, displays, to check orientation resolution. You can also add a night light, mouse and touchpad, keyboard shortcut, what to do with mobile media, change regional languages, date and time, and about your system. If we click activities, there is your favorite applications, and you can show the application in this 3D like experience similar to smartphones. The software center, it is like the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It will allow you to install all the application that you need. This is the software store. You can search for application and install them. Or you can also update your applications. While on settings, you can also enable or disable location services, camera, microphone. With the GNOME Tricks, it will allow you to customize your system with appearance extensions. At the top bar, you can add the battery percentage and seconds. As to Windows title bar, let's add minimize and maximize button to make it look a little more similar to Windows. While as to the software store, you can have many applications, for example VLC, media player, a lot of applications, and you will update your system through the software store. If you have more than one application open, it will create a 3D desktop effect when you press the Windows button. Here, you can select your application. You can also select a new desktop environment or search for application. This cheese is the webcam. And here you can update your system and it will restart when everything will be done. And this is GNOME 3 desktop environment. See you later guys.